Any doubt like up to this point, like about table, about primary key, and about foreign key? Amit, for you, any doubt? For you, Subhash, any doubt?
No, sir. I am clear with that.
Okay, just once one point I will revise it. Yesterday concept. Yesterday, which I sent you one example, like related to primary key, foreign key. The same example I am explaining. Okay, two tables I sent you yesterday. What is primary key? What is foreign key? Just check it. Okay, if you already done, that is good. If you are not done, try this example. Same. Yeah. Okay, yesterday I shared you
Yes,
one
sir.
table, two tables. One is two tables I shared. One table, two tables. Let me check.
Two tables.
Two tables I shared. One is purchase order header table. Another one is purchase order item table. Correct. Yeah. Yeah, I can see here. Two tables I sent you. One is purchase order header. This is a header. Like any tables, if you see in SAP, like this type of scenario, purchase order header table we can call, header table we can call. This is customized table. Okay, I told you create it. But in this table we have one key is there. That is we can call purchase order number. Purchase order number. But there are so many fields in this table also. Almost 10 to 15 fields I sent you. Just practice same fields. Description, like PO date, like vendor ID. Like there are so many other. So many vendor ID. In the second table that is related to purchase order item details, not header, that is item details. Purchase order. Okay, in this table also we have primary key number. Okay, this is we can call foreign key. This is we can call primary key table. Primary key table. This is we can call foreign key table. Okay, this I made it as customized. Okay, customized. But in standard also we have standard tables also. Let me check later. Purchase document, purchase order number, item number, material number, like that. We have the item number, material number, mat number, like quantity and unit, like that. We have the tables. In this also we have almost 15 fields are there. In this also we have 15 fields. This is purchase order number is one field, description is one field, PO date is one field, vendor ID is one field, vendor ID is one field. Now if you see, this is one table, this is one table, this is one table. What I told you, what I sent you yesterday, okay, this is foreign key I told you. This is primary key related. Foreign key means first you have to create this table as a primary key. Same you have to create in this second table, you have to create a primary key and foreign key both. Then only you can join and you can view the data. Means this is mainly what is the use of primary key and foreign key? To join the database. Okay? To join two tables. Okay? This concept only I had given. Then once if it is done, try today these two tables using joined database view. Okay, database view. Database view. Okay, like that. Here almost 20 to 20 fields I had given. 20 fields I had given. These are all the okay, like customized. This is customized I had given. This is customized means you start with your own MPO header like this. You can create it. This is a you can create a ZPO item. For practice purpose I made it. But for this one we have already standard table also there. For this one standard EKKO is there. For this we have the another one is EKPO is there. These two are the standard, but these two are which I had given customized for your own practice. Okay, that is about the purchase order table, header table, purchase order item table. Now today I am going to discuss with the view, sorry, set shelves, set shelves. Okay, you can try this set shelves. Any doubt here about this one?
No, sir.
I think we already worked this all database view related information. Okay, just one explanation I have done here about the previous class. Now I'm going to specify here search help. Just search help. Okay, what is meaning of search help? Okay. Search help means, okay, this concept I am starting today. Okay, but we have created already. Okay, because collective search help we need this search help. That's what I am explaining once again. What is the meaning of search help? Last class I created.
Getting list of values.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, getting list of values from database. From database. What is the meaning of getting list of? Okay, means we can press F4, then you will get it some values. Okay, values from the database. Let me show first example. SAP user. Okay, SAP user 1. Okay, go to first step. Okay, first I am going to show that what is list of values. Okay, I'll show SC16N is the code. This is the code. We can check the tables list. Even SC11 also is a code to check the list. This is a table. Let me enter one table name KNA1. Yes, yeah. I want to search some customer information. Okay, here I don't have any values. If I browse here, this is browse F4 we can call. This is only we can call F4 key. If I press F4, keyboard press F4. Okay. Here you can see here. This is we can call one elementary. This is we can call second elementary. This is we can call third elementary. These are all elementaries. If you see how many elementaries are there, you can observe now. One table means one particular field customer is having almost 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Around 20 elementary such helps we have. 20 elementaries. What is the use of elementaries? Now, if I want to search by tax information, like customers by tax information, if I select the customers by tax information, separate tax number related it will show. Like VAT registration number wise, I can search it. Tax number wise, I can search it. If I want to search by some other personal number wise, I can search it. Personal number wise. If I want to search some other, okay, like sales group wise, if I want to search it, sales group wise, I can search it. Like sales organization wise, like that. Whatever field you will select, according to that field, I can identify the values. These values only I am calling these values. Whatever values are here, that values I am calling list of values. Getting from database. Which table? It is related to different tables, not one table. All 20 are different tables, not from one table. Okay, how to link? First, how to create, then how to link. Both I am explaining. Okay, both I am explaining. Okay. First, okay, let me show once again a table name. Now, two types of search cells. Write down two types of search cells. One is elementary. One is elementary search cell. Another one is collective search cell. Another one is collective search cell. Okay, elementary search cell means first we have to create a single table. Okay, based on tables we have to create two elementaries. We have to create. Okay, elementary means only based on single table. Like this is one table. This is another table. VVAK. Okay, this is the first table. This is first elementary one. ZELE 1. This is ZELE 2. Two elementaries we can use it in. This elementary I can use it in one single. This elementary I can use it in a collective. Both I can join and I can view it. That is we can call collective search help. Collective search help. Both I can use it. Like this, not one single, not single, not multi. You can create it 40 elementaries also you can create it. Elementaries. 40 tables also you can join. N, not only 40, n numbers, but maximum 20, 22 you can create it. Okay, that is client requirement. Okay, that 20 also standard only it is there. For customized 3, 4 only you can create it for the standard customized database table. But SAP has given, okay, for n number of tables, we can use it. This collective search helps. Correct. There is no restriction. Okay, you have to use only this particular collective search help. Collective search help means multiple elementaries we can use it in collective search help. Collective. I am going to repeat here. Last class I already explained elementary. Once again I am repeating for two tables. Okay, don't confuse. Same example I am explaining first because today I am going to use the collective search help. Let me finish this concept first. Elementaries. Then I will go for this collective. I will go. Okay. First, how to check the table related fields from KNA1. Okay, two elementaries I am creating. Elementary 1, first example. Go to SE11 right now. Procedure. Okay, elementary search help creation. This is a concept. Okay, elementary search help means based on single database table, we can get the list of values from database. Elementary means based on single database table, we can get the list of values from database. Collective search help means based on multiple database tables, we can join in collective search help. You can get list of values from both tables, not only single table. If you want one table, you can use one table. If you want multi-table, you can use it. How to use it? I am going to explain clearly step by step. First, gather the information. How to gather the information? Okay, SE11. Okay, SE11. Okay, what is the table name? First table name? KNA1. Just enter the KNA1. Enter the KNA1. Click on display. Click on display. Here, what is the KNA1 means? I had given some list also, some tables. Okay, if you don't have that list, I will share you. Okay, one more table list for you. See here, how many fields are there in this one? 206 fields are there, but we never created all 206 fields. Help. Okay, it's impossible. Okay, we never work in real time. All 206, maximum 5 to 6 fields only we can use for the search help, because we never work for sorting. Also, we never work searching. For fax number also we never searching. For title also we never work searching. Okay, this type of not possible. Okay, maximum, max to maximum, customer number, name, country. Okay, postal code wise we can search it. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'll select the some required information from this table. Okay, I will use it 3 fields or 4 fields. Okay, 4 fields. I don't want name to I will remove it. First I am going to gather the information from KNA1. Okay, from first table I copied here. I am pasting here. First table some information. Okay, this is I don't want name to. Okay, means name to sometimes data is not there. Okay, that's why name to is not. Okay, this is the information from first table KNA1. Next, from the second table, how to find out the second table information? Open one more session. SE11 VBAK. Click on display button. From this table also, I am just selecting 4 tables, 4 fields. Okay, now this is a VBAK. Okay, VBAK fields. Okay, VBAK. Okay, let's see. From the first table, these are all the 4 fields. From second table, these are all the 4 fields. Now I'm creating, based on these 4 fields, I'm creating one elementary. Based on these fields, I'm creating a second elementary. 2 elementaries I'm creating. How to create? Okay, how to list also had given here only. Same, take same fields. Otherwise, your wish. You can take 10 fields also can take it. Okay. Now to create first elementary, start with the S11. Right up steps. Steps to create elementary. Go to S11. Go to S11. Okay, this is the concept domain. Search help. Search help. Z. Okay, ELE1. ELE1. Okay, any name. I told you what is the naming conventions we should start with. Z is the mandatory. Okay, Z is the mandatory. Okay, Z is the mandatory. And click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Okay, see ZLE already existed. You just use your another naming. Okay, my name is GR Gangadhar. Okay, ZGRELE1. I'm going to create a create button. Okay, that is also there. I think last class I created. I think ELE. Then I can give here elementary element 1. And then create button. It will ask. This is a new server. I did not give the access key. Priya, Karthik is there?
Sir, he's not there now.
He's not there. Actually, he shared me this user, new user.
Ah,
For this user, I asked him even ABAP also. He did
one
not.
sec.
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
I'll check with him. Just a minute.
That is access key. It is asking actually. This access key actually for the means standard tables it will ask access key, but customized because they did not basis consultant they did not install this one. That's why it is asking. If once you give access key, then it will allow.
Sir, he'll get you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Then today what? That is another server also. It is not there. I think. Okay. That I did not check yesterday. Otherwise, I would have to see that one. Okay. Then, then we cannot create the set cell today. Okay. I'll postpone this concept tomorrow class because I don't have another system. Okay. Then I will explain theoretically the remaining related parts today. Okay. Remaining related what? Then tomorrow we will work out this set cell here. Okay. Set cell here. Okay. Okay. Amit is okay because this is new server actually. New server. That old server is gone. Okay. It is not working. That old server. For this server, they did not maintain the new access key details. Okay, access key. Once if they enter access key, then it will work for us. Okay, because.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Today I will discuss some theoretical related points for Subhash, for you also. Okay, all the related information. Okay, all table related, like whatever concepts I covered up to now, those related concepts only I am covering, like interview related points. Okay, interview related points.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like tables. Okay, for freshers, these are all the questions are very important. Okay, table related only. Let me discuss first. Okay, table. Here we already created this type of tables in last session. Primary key tables I created and the foreign key tables also I created. But here, first, what is table? What is what are the types of tables? This is a okay one common interview questions for ABAPers. What is database table? Okay, for even for function also they will ask what is database table, what are the types of database tables are there. First definition, what is database table means? Data in the form of columns and as well as rows. Data in the form of columns and rows. What is meaning of columns means? What is meaning of columns? Column means field names, technical name. Column means field names. This is one field. This is second field. This is third field. This is fourth field. Column names are nothing but a field names. Okay, rows are nothing but a row is nothing but this is total row. One row. This is second row. This is third row. This is fourth row. Like that, we have rows are there. This is row 1, or we can call record 1. Okay, record 1. This is row 2. This is we can call record 2. This is row 3. Okay, this is row 3. We can call record 3. Like it is a combination of columns and as well as rows. We are calling database table. We are calling database table. That is a definition for database table. Then another question: what are the types of tables? Database table means that answer you can give. Otherwise, data it will store in the form of rows and columns also you can give. No problem. Database table. Under that, the types of database tables, types of DB tables. Okay, common question for any experienced person or freshers. Okay, most of the times they will ask this question. Types of database tables we have in SAP. 3 types we have. Okay, 3 types. Okay, one is the transparent database table. Transparent database table. Second one is pooled database table. Third one is the clustered database table. Like this we have 3 types of tables are there. But as a developer, as a any application consultant, ABAP consultant or SDMM, okay, any FICO consultant, okay, we always use the transparent tables only. If you observe here a table name directly display ANA1 here or VBAK, you can see here. What is the name of the table? Okay, transparent only. Okay, transparent means any database table, if you use it, this tables we are calling transparent only. For ABAPers or functional people, anything they can use it transparent only. What is meaning of transparent? Pooled, why we are not using? Clusters, why we are not using? Cluster used by ABAP HR people. Okay, let me discuss here. Transparent database table is nothing but a definition. One-to-one relationship between database table, the database table we can call transparent table. We can call transparent database table. What is the meaning of one-to-one? Okay, why we are calling here one-to-one? Means here I told you architecture, database, application layer. Database and application layer. This is a layer, application layer. This is database. This is database. Now, here in database, means where is this table is here? Where this table is there? VBAK or any table? In database. Here, VBAK means this table, VBAK. This is in database. That is only one table. This replica, this structure related information, that another table is having VBAK here also there. This here also one only. Here also one. See what I am trying to say? In application layer we have the VBAK replica of this one, In database also we have one, okay, database table, that is also one. Okay, if it is connected with one-to-one relationship, that is you can call one-to-one relationship between database table. Understood this point? In application layer, that is a structure of the VBAK. In database, total database of the fields are connected one-to-one. That's why we are calling it transparent database table. Okay, transparent table. If it is doubt, if you have doubt, Subhash, ask. If you have a message, okay, ask me. Priya, for you also, it maybe for you it is new, okay, but you have to adjust now some classes. Okay, check that. Okay, just go through this, okay, topic. These are all tables, because even for ABAP also pool table and cluster tables they won't use, but interview purpose, for the student interview purpose, I'm giving this all the related information. 99%, 100% will use in real time transparent tables only as a developer. As a web developer, you will create only transparent only. There is no requirement for the to create the pool tables. There is no cluster tables. Cluster tables used by HR ABAPer. Okay, that you can do it. But HR side, whenever you are using HR side, payroll related concept, okay, pay components, we can use it. But as a developer, ABAP developer, you will use only transparent, okay, transparent with the G tables, with the G tables. Next, this is the first example, first explanation. Okay, then second example, okay, here pooled table means 1 to n, okay, 1 to n relationship between database table. Here it is not 1. Here also, okay, here it is not 1, it is n. Okay, 1 to n number of database table. Okay, n. Okay, here let me remove this one. This is transparent. You cannot give the example for this one. Okay, here one table only, but here you have the link with the n number of tables. This one table is linked with n number of tables. Small teeny tables. Okay, small tables. Okay, these tables you can call, one is here. Okay, one is here. NR here. Okay, NR here. Okay, 1 to n relationship between database tables. These are all, okay, pooled tables. Why we are using here? What is the use of this particular pooled database table? It means pooled database tables, okay, are used by SAP India company only. It means they created their own purposes to design the application purpose. Okay, application purpose they designed here. Okay, pooled database table. Here example is, okay, example is B006 is the table, okay, for the pooled tables. Let me show here one simple example. This is the, okay, go to SC11. Okay, enter that pooled table name. You can observe now. I have shown you KNA1. Let's open first KNA1 only. This is transparent. Let me open one more session. See here, this is transparent here. Transparent. Let me open one more session. SC11. Okay, SC11. This is B006 is there. Okay, this is, you can't display. You can observe now here difference here. Transparent. Okay, what is this? Is pooled. Okay, transparent. How many primary keys are there? Okay, how many primary keys? 2 primary keys. Pooled. You can see here how many keys are connected. For n number of tables are connected. This is one primary key. This is one primary key with the foreign key. This is one primary key with the foreign key. So here n number of tables are connected. Mandate, KV, couple, KAPPL, okay, KSHCL. There are so many primary keys, VKORG, each and every table, VKORG, they connected. Then VTWG, okay, n number of tables are connected. Okay, here how many tables are connected? Okay, KNR is connected to only one particular link only. That is also not showing that. But it should show that particular primary key. The check table of domain is current table. FK maintenance is not possible. We are not going to maintain, just we are going to check that particular field. Okay, only one particular related information it will show. Okay, meaning only one table is linked. That is only had given. If you have doubt, ask me, no problem. Pooled means this is only example. Pooled means n number of database tables are connected. N number of database tables are connected to pooled. That is we can call pooled database table. That is only you can call 1 to n. 1 to n. 1 means here one table. This table is connected to n numbers. Okay, n numbers. But these tables are big tables. Okay, if it is small tables. This n numbers means small or teeny tables. Okay, teeny tables. In pooled means only teeny small tables. But the same example for cluster also. Cluster also 1 to n only, but that is for cluster means big tables. Cluster means big, okay, big tables, big database tables. But definition, what is the definition? 1 to n relationship between database table. Those tables are related to big tables. Okay, big tables. We can use it in HCM applications like PCL1 is a table name, PCL2 is a table name, PCL3 is a table names. Okay, these are all the tables, okay, which you can work it in. Okay, PCL4 are the database tables which we can use for clusters. To check this one, PC underscore pay results on T code is a clusters pay results. This is a transaction code. This is a transaction code to check the pay component related information. Okay, pay component related information. Definition is same. First definition is, what is the first definition? One table is linked with the only one table, that we are calling relationship between database table, transparent. One table is linked with n number of tables, but small tables we are calling pooled tables. Example also I had given. Okay, there is a rare example. Okay, this common question, this is also they are asking. Most of the students, they won't remember this table. Okay, just A006 also there, C006 also there. Okay, this is the example. For freshers that is good. For experienced also they will ask. Next, coming to the cluster table. Okay, these are all the very big tables. This all only for HR related module we can use it to clusters. HR model. Okay, HR model. That name is PC underscore pay results. PC underscore. Let me show the clusters also. Okay, how is this cluster is showing? Go to here, come back. Okay, PC underscore pay results. RESULTS. Okay, results. This is a T code. PC underscore pay result. I have written results. Result, that is. Okay, that is a result. T code itself, that is a result. You should try this T code. Don't try the results. PC underscore pay result. That is a T code. Let's see. Now if I enter the T code immediately display payroll results. If I check here, okay, this is a code name. If I check one employee number, any personal number, okay, then it will show all the employee related payroll results. It will show here. Okay, something, because that employee is related to Germany employee, that's why it is not displayed. Let me try the Indian employee. Okay, Vishwanathan Sai Kumar is an Indian employee. Context. The following template is missing. Okay, something. Okay, sir, this is Indian employee. Okay, if I check this candidate information, it displayed only one payroll is displayed here. Let me try. Okay, this is a sequence number. If I double click this sequence number, it will show all the results related tables. It will show here in database. Means like salary related information. Okay, you can see here. Okay, these are all the different clusters information. So WBBP table means basic pay information. ABC means options related information. RT means result table information. Cumulative means cumulative result table information. These are all we can call clusters. Okay, clusters. What exactly this contains? This table is having once again another table, another fields. Let's see if I double click here. All the database table means what is the gross amount, what is the EPF amount, what is ESI amount. All data it is stored in this particular database table. This type of fields we are calling clusters database table. For different employees, different cluster data. Okay, options is data. Options is related information. How many days? This is option C hours is 8 hours. Option C days is 1 hour. Payment hours is 0. Okay, like payment days is 1. Calendar days is 1. Pay rule is 02. Like payroll is like that. Okay, HR people they will understand this particular related information. Okay, these are all the three very important related information. Under that, only one we can use it as a developer for creation. Okay, that we can call transparent database table. Okay, transparent table. Okay, examples also I had given for all transparent tables. Whatever list I had given, last class I had given, before classes I had given. Okay, all the database table like KNA1 is the transparent table, VVAK is a transparent table, VVAP is a transparent table, VVUK is a transparent table, LIKP is a transparent table, LIPS. Okay, like that n numbers. Okay, n numbers. These are all related to SD tables. Okay, SD database tables. Okay, SD tables. Okay, KN1 means customer master. VBAC means sales order. VBAP means sales order item. VBAK means sales order header status. LIKP means delivery document header data. Delivery document item data. Like that, we have different information data for SD. Like the same way, for MM modules also we have. These are all transparent. These are all transparent. These all fields are. All tables are transparent. Like that in MM also we have all transparent. Okay, all tables are transparent. MM module. Okay, LFO means vendor master. EKKO means purchase order header. EKPO means purchase order item table. MERA material table. MERC material plant data. MERD material storage data. Okay, like that so many. Okay, MSEG, BSEG, so many are there. MSEG. Okay, segment table that is we can call. Okay, LI. LFB1 something. Bank table, vendor bank table, that is LFBK. Like that, so many database tables are there in material management, which we can use for the real-time purpose. Example, I can use only these tables. That's why I had given for you this table only. If you want to check this table related information, very simple. Just go to either this T code list. This T code list you can go and check. Either SC11 you can check, or either SC12 you can check, or either SC16 you can check, either SC16N you can check. Using these all transaction codes, using all these transaction codes, you can check like this table list, all table list, this table list, all table list we can check it. But what is the use of SC11 and SC16N? SC16N we can use for frequently. For functional people they can use it SC16N. For ABAPers we will always use SC11 only. Okay, SC11. Then SC12, SC16 only just normal. Okay, that we can use or we won't use it. Then what is the difference between SC11 and SC16? 11 means I'll show clearly. Since here 11, this is a table name. Enter this table name. Click on display. Means you will see the field information clearly. You will see the field information, technical names of the fields, data type of the field, length of the field, description of the field, each and everything you can understand here by using this SC11. And if I want to see the data also for this table, if I want to see the data, I can view the data by using table content and display option. This all you already completed. Just only repeating. Yes, here number of entries if I see 8,815 is there. But what is the use of this SC11? You have seen like that. It is the use of SC16. I don't want to see here. I don't want to see this all field information. by using SC16N, directly we can view the data. Let's see SC16N. This is also table display only, but only display. Sir, is there any field data type and length? Just only information is there. Which field that is? Only information. What is the field name? Technical names only it is here, but it is not clear with what is data type. Technical attributes is not there. Attributes means data type and length information. This information is not there here. You cannot identify what is the length of the field. Land one means what is the length, it is not here. Just you can execute here number of entries here and here. What is the number of entries? Total 8,815. You can observe here also for this table also. What is the number of 8,815? So both tables are matched. But here you have to execute one more time. But this is the data. If you want like here, okay, if you want here, you have to execute directly here only. Okay, here only. Yeah. There is no need to go to tables or content, no need to go. But here you have to go to here. You have to go to here, execute option. Sorry, it is table content display. Then only it will execute it. Then you have to execute it. But in this example, SC16N, no need to use this one. Okay, no need to use one. That is about the difference between SC16 and SC16N. Let me show the SC12 and SC16 also for your understanding. Here, SC12 only display table, only display. You cannot create, you cannot change. Let me show. Here what we have here in SC11, this is SC11. What we have here? Create option, change option, display. Let me open the SC12. Okay, SC12. Under the SC12, what we have here? Only display option. Let's say display, change, create. Means user can only view the tables. See, not create, no change, nothing. No change, nothing. Okay, here it is not highlighted. Means you cannot edit also. Okay, you cannot edit also. Even if it is customized or standard. Ask me.
Sir, here in the screen SE12 or SE11, I can see only two fields have been checked, two keys. I can see it has been marked. Why the other keys are not marked? Once, can you go to that screen? Can you execute once?
This one,
Display, hard display.
Display, okay.
Yeah.
This one, okay. This one is nothing but like we can call primary keys. Primary keys. Okay, that only today I discussed some first point only I discussed. No, this is only, that is only. Okay. First point. Here, primary key I discussed today point. First point I discussed, no? Primary key. Any table means if you are going to join one table to n number of database table, primary key is mandatory. Primary key is mandatory. If you don't have the primary key, you cannot join n number of database tables. Meaning, primary key is mandatory for any table, any database table.
So is there any specific? It has to be certain.
Exactly. Why means because see now, okay. Let me get here like one example, small example. Okay, I have employee details. Okay, all my employee related information all are there. My EMP number, EMP name, city information, some all the data. Okay, in my another employee, okay, this is employee table. Another employee family table is there. Employee family table is there. Okay, family. And employee family is having employee related information only. EMP number is there here also. Okay, EMP relations are there like father, mother, all the data. Father, mother, all the information in this table also. This is one table. This is one table. I have another table also. Employee foreign address or employee foreign local address. Address information. That is address information. Okay, address info. In this table also, or we cannot create it in one table. Okay, separate in SAP is divided because if you maintain that one, okay, data redundancy errors will come. That's what SAP is maintain separate tables. This is also employee number is here. This is also address type is there. address type, street, like this. Okay, street to postal code, or so many fields are there. Example. Now, how many tables are here? How many database tables?
3.
3 tables. Okay, for each table, let's observe now what each table. What is a okay, common point, common field number, common field name?
Employee number.
Employee number is a common field. Okay, for this table, this is employee number is a common field. Okay, for this table, this is employee number is common field. For this table, this is also employee number is common field. For this table also employee number is common field. Then, okay, means whenever you are creating first table, that employee is the first table. That field I am calling primary key. Primary key. Compulsory. You have to maintain primary key. Otherwise, the table you cannot create it. Okay? Any table that should have one primary key. Then, if you want to join here now, if I want to display only employee data, I can display by using this table. I can display it, but I have to display, means your client will ask display employee data with family information. Okay, that is my requirement. Means employee related data with family. Then where is family information? In second table, correct?
Yes.
If it is the second table, then how to join these two tables? There should be one more key, primary key in this table also primary key should be there, and one more key also should be there. That
Foreign
is
key.
called foreign key. Okay, like that. If I want employee number, employee family, employee address information, all if I want, in this table also primary key should be there and foreign key should be there. Like that, if it is there, then I can join this primary key and this foreign key. I can join this one and this one. Then system will work with the it will fetch with the employee number data, employee family data, employee address data in one single report. I can view all the data. I can view all the data. Okay, otherwise it won't display the data. Otherwise you cannot join the data first. For that, we
Okay.
can see that this particular for any database table. Okay, Subhas, Amit, any doubt? Okay,
No,
Amit.
sir.
Okay. Okay, this is about the just what I explained this one. Okay, today class just only theoretical related class only today, but these tables which we can use it frequently in next coming classes, all the tables. Let me show the SC16 also, then difference. Let's see, this is only display. Okay? You cannot change it, or you cannot okay, even you cannot you can see only display option only. That's it. Okay, only display. Next, SC16, okay, very easy. Okay, SC16. Okay, directly you can use it. This is a old name. Okay, now we are calling N if it is there, new. If it is old, that is SC16. Okay, this is a old screen. If N is there added, that is SC16N. That's it. Both are same. Here. For this table, directly you can enter the table name, enter, execute. Number of entries you can see. And directly if you want only 200, 500 dates, only 500 it will show. Okay, only 500. If I don't want 500, I need all the entries. I can filter the all the entries, 8,815 entries. Okay, easy to execute 8 SC16. Okay, SC16. Okay, this is the way to connect this particular information. Okay, to connect SC11, SC12, SC16. Okay, and SC16N. Using all these T codes as a web developer, we can use it, these tables and data. First, you have to know table contains fields. Fields contains data. Data is related to client part. Okay, this is client part data. This all the data will maintained by the client. Client will give the data. Okay, client will give the data. The data as a developer, we will load it by using programming. That programming only we are calling ABAP. These fields are fixed anywhere. If it is standard table KNA1, worldwide same KNA1 only. Same fields. How many fields are here? Okay, 206 fields are there. Same fields we can use for any client. Maybe if it is enhancement is done. Okay, if it is enhancement like this type of enhancements, okay, are done, then those tables will be enhanced. Otherwise, until unless same fields, whatever fields in our client. If it is IBM client is having 206 fields. If other client, okay, 206 fields, any fields, either US or AK, any projects, we have already fixed data is there. But if your client wants some more fields, they will enhance it. But this table never, okay, change for all the clients. Okay, this is based on a client. We will install the SAP product and we will work on those particular product. But all the standard enhancements, SAP is released enhancements, all it will come for any client. If you see in this India clients, same procedure. Is a UK client also same procedure. Only enhancements are there. Those enhancements are different. Okay, those enhancements you can explain easily, clearly. What you added, what is the purpose of enhancement, you can explain. Those enhancements you can see in coming sessions also. Okay, no problem. If you have any doubt here about tables, these are all the standard tables you have to remember for our. Okay, this is VB UK, not VBA. This is VB UK, VB UK, VBAP, VBAK, LIKP, LIK. Like that, LFA1, EKK, all are module tables, SD module tables. Okay, these are all very, very important, frequently which we can use. Then what I'll do in next class, today I will check with him. Okay, Kartika, then he will give this access, I think, because without access I cannot create the entries and this one. Today I will stop it. Tomorrow, same. Okay, by 7:55. Okay, I will connect it. Then I'll start this set shelf creation. I'll complete it tomorrow, set shelf, and as well as this other part of ABAP related information, like what is the use of lock object, who will create the lock object, what is the use of type group. Tomorrow, once if I completed this total full exercises, then Wednesday onwards we'll start with the reporting. Okay, from basic, what is the lines, line by line, how to write that, write syntax, everything I'll discuss on Wednesday. Tomorrow, same. Okay, set shelf I will complete it to set shelf, and theoretical part I will complete it. Then any pending is there, I will complete this part also. Okay, this part also. Okay, Amit. Subhash, అర్థమైందా నీకు?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Amit. Okay. If you are not done
Yes.
yesterday part, okay, yesterday example, try that example. Okay, ask me, I will guide you. Okay, if you already tried,
Yes.
then it is easy. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I'll stop it. Priya,
Sir?
I'll stop it today because it is not there now. I cannot create.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, I'll just inform to Karthik. Even I'll message him. Okay, now.
Okay.
Yeah, because I need this one. Otherwise, I cannot see it. I cannot create it first. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
I did not check yesterday.